Hello to all my third class students. Today we are entering into a new lesson which is given on page number 39, and the lesson name is Plants Around Us, in which we are going to learn about the different plants, flowers, vegetables. Okay, so let's start the lesson. See children, everywhere we see the different types of trees and plants. Yes, around our houses we see the different kinds of plants and trees. There are the big trees are there, and small also are there. In our school also. Yes children, are you all missing our school, no? Yes. See, in our school also we have the different kinds of trees. Tall coconut trees we have here. Big neem trees we have here. And flowering plants also are there in our garden, in school garden. Yes. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the different plants which every day we see in our surroundings, around us. Wherever we go, we see the trees and the plants. Some of them we know their names, but some of them we don't know. But we see everywhere trees and plants. Okay. Now see here on the page number 39, one picture is given. One colorful picture is here. Yes. In which we see here there are the different kinds of flowers. And two girls who are discussing here. One girl is saying about these plants and flowers. Just think what might she is telling to her friend. Here these two girls who are the friends. Yes, you know their names are what? Yes, here their names are, one is Salima and the other girl is Akhila. Okay, so here the girl Salima, she likes very much flowering plants. She likes flowering plant, so she grows the different flowering plants in the backyard of her house. Backyard means the place which is behind our house. So here Salima, she planted the different flowering plants in the backyard of her house. Every day she takes care of that plants. She look after them. She pull out all the weeds. She waters the plants every day. Understood? She do not allow others to pluck the flowers and leaves of the plants. So she looks after these plants very carefully. One day her friend Akhila visited Salima's house. Her friend, who is her friend? Akhila. She came to Salima's house and she saw that there are the many different flowering plants are there, on which the flowers also are looking very nice. Different flowers have. By seeing them, she is surprised. She saw the different types of flowering plants and plucked some flowers. See here, Akhila came to Salima's house. She saw the different flowering plants and some of them, the flowers, she plucked. Okay, now in this picture, can you tell which flowers are these? Yes, here we can see the rose flower. These are the marigold. They are looking like marigold, no? Here hibiscus flowers. Yes, so here different types of flowers are there in the backyard of Salima's house. Then Akhila visited Salima's house. She saw all the flowering plants, and she plucked some flowers. Okay, now come on to the page number 40 and see here what type of flowers are these. See. Okay, now see here in the picture there are given the different types of flowers. Okay, see, this is the rose flower, marigold flower, this is the porcupine flower, these are the sunflowers, not sunflowers, they are called the chamanti. Here are these also marigold, and this is the jasmine. Okay, these are all the different types of flowers we see around us. No? Now let's come down. Only flowering plants are grown there in the Salima's backyard? No, there are the other flowers also. She planted there, she grown. What are that again? She grows the vegetables also. Which type of vegetables? Have a look here once. See here, this she has planted the tomatoes, beetroot. This one is the big lemon. These are the guava, cucumbers. Sorry, this is the bottle gourd. These are the cucumbers, mangoes, and this is the sapota. So not only the vegetables, she has planted the fruits also. Fruit trees also she has planted. Salima has very much interest to grow the different types of plants. Yes, so she has planted the flowering plants and vegetables and fruits also. Okay, so these all the flowers, vegetables and fruits are there in the garden of the Salima's house. Okay, children, so by this what we understood? Here there are the different flowering plants are there and vegetables, fruits. Yes. Now see here in the picture, these tomatoes have grown on the plant. But see here, these cucumbers and bottle gourd, the beetroot gourd are hanging. Why? See, this is a plant and these are called the climbers. You know climbers means? Yes, these are the climbers who take the support to grow because their stems are very soft so they need the help of other plants or trees or whatever the support they get, they take the help of that and they grow on that. Understood? Because they have the very soft stem, they cannot stand themselves. Understood? So they take the support and grow. So here we saw there are the different types of flowering plants are there, and in that there are the different types of plants means climbers, creepers, plants and trees. The very much big trees with many branches and their trunk means their stem is very strong is called a tree. Plants means they are small in size and the branches, they have the many branches but they are very small in size but they are very strong. They are called the plants. Climbers means here the plants which grow with the support of the other trees or any other things and grow, they are called the climbers. Understood, children? Here one table is given on the page number 40. It is no need of to fill. Understood? So all of you take out the page number 41. See here on the page number 41, one more picture is given. See how tall this tree is. It has only one stem, long stem, which is very strong. No? Then see here, we will learn more about it. Okay? Generally, different plants are grown in the open courtyard of the house. Some people don't have open space in front, behind of their houses. Many of the people have the place for growing the plants, But there are some houses who do not have the place, either it is in front of their house or backside their house. There is no place to grow the plants. Then how these people will grow the plants? What kind of plants do they grow? See here, Akhila and Salima went outside to play. All the children were playing under the banyan tree. See here, all the children were playing under the banyan tree. The trees like tamarind, neem are also there along with the banyan tree. See here, not only banyan tree, neem tree, tamarind tree also are there with the banyan tree where these children are playing. Akhila and Salima played there along with the children. All the children were playing there. Now, do all these trees look alike? All these trees are looking alike, means same. Neem tree, tamarind tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, these all trees are looking same? No. See, Akhila and Salima observed the leaves, branches and stems of various plants in the garden. Some were big in size and some were very small. Some plants have smaller leaves while others have longer and broader leaves. See children, when these children were playing there under the trees, they observed the many trees which are present there. Then they have taken the many leaves of their plants and observed that there are the leaves which different shapes. They have the different shapes and sizes. Some are in small size and some are in big size. No. Which trees among them have smaller leaves and which have the bigger leaves? Name the trees that are large and give us shade. Akhila saw a tall palm tree on the roadside and exclaimed, how tall is the tree? How tall is the tree? See here, just now I have shown you which tree it is. It is a very tall, no? Podugundi kada chala. This is a tree. It is called a palm tree. Which tree it is? Palm tree, which grows very tall. Okay. And see here, the pictures are given. See, it is a banyan tree. It is very much big tree and it gives shade. What it gives us? Shade. And it grows in the big area. It takes the very vast area to grow. Okay. Next picture is, what picture it is? It is a tamarind tree. Tamarind means, you know children? Yes, chintakaya. See, this tree also is big in size. Next tree is what? See here, what are these looking? Which fruits are these? Yes, these are the coconuts. You know, coconut tree also grows very tall. Yes. So here we have seen there are the three kinds of trees. This coconut tree grows very tall. Here it is a tamarind tree, has the many branches. It gives us shade. And it is a banyan tree which is very much big and it grows in a big area. So these trees give us shade. Understood? Because they have the many branches. Next, different types of plants and trees grow around us. Are they all of the same height? Just now I shown you these three pictures. Yes, coconut tree, tamarind tree and banyan tree. All these trees have the same height. Okay, ettula unnaya? No, this coconut tree grows very tall. Some of these are shorter than you. Some are the up to your height and some are taller than you. Identify such plants and trees in your surroundings and write in the table. See here, one table is given on the page number 41.